The Ahmedabad city was founded by Ahmed I in the year. Answer A. 1411. In which year the capital of Gujarat shifted from Ahmedabad to Gandhinagar? Answer C. 1970. Who was the first Chief Minister of Gujarat? Answer D. Shivraj Narayan Mehta. The British East India Company established its first factory in. Answer B. Surat. Which one is the longest river in Gujarat? Answer C. Narmada. Gujarat is the largest producer of dash. Answer B. Milk. On which river the Sardar Sarovar Dam is built? Answer D. Narmada River. Sabarmati Ashram was built in the year. Answer A. 1917. Total number of districts in Gujarat? Answer B. 33. Which one is the largest district of Gujarat? Answer C. Kutch. Who built the famous Sun Temple of Modhera? Answer B. Bhimdev Solanki. In which year the city of Ahmedabad was founded? Answer A. 1411. Kirti Mandir is a memorial house of which of the following leaders? Answer C. Mahatma Gandhi. How many days did the Quick India movement strike in school and college in Gujarat during 1942? Answer D. 105. When did Gandhiji establish Gujarat Vidyapeeth? Answer C. 1920. Maha-Gujarat Janata Parishad was formed in. Answer B. 1956. When was the first Panchayati Raj system was started in Gujarat? Answer A. 1963. Who is the first woman astronaut of Gujarati origin? Answer A. Sunita Williams. Which port of Gujarat is called the Garments of the World? Answer A. Khambat. Khizia Bird Sanctuary is located in which district? Answer C. Jamnagar. How many Lok Sabha seats are there in Gujarat? Answer A. 26. Which among the following is the first kerosene-free district in Gujarat? Answer B. Gandhinagar. Who was the last Hindi ruler of Gujarat? Answer A. Kannadev. In which year Anand Milk Union Limited Amul was founded? Answer A. 1946. Which of the following river flows through Surat? Answer A. Tapti. Name the first full-length Gujarati film. Answer D. Narsin Mehta. C.B. Patel International Cricket Stadium is located at. Answer C. Surat. Which one is the longest river in Gujarat? Answer B. Narmada. What is the literacy rate of Gujarat as per the 2011 census? Answer C. 79.31%. Gir Forest National Park was established in the year. Answer B. 1965. Which among the following is the largest national park in Gujarat? Answer D. Gir Forest National Park. How many national parks are there in Gujarat? Answer B. 4. What is the approximate area of Gir Forest National Park? Answer A. 258.71 square kilometer. The total number of wildlife sanctuaries in Gujarat. Answer D. 23. Which sea is situated to the west of Gujarat? Answer B. Arabian. The Surat city is famous for which among the following industry? Answer D. Textile. Kutch, the oldest museum in Gujarat, was established in the year. Answer A. 1877. Who wrote the novel Saraswati Chandra? Answer D. Govardhan Ram Tripathi. According to the 2011 census, which is the most populous district of Gujarat? Answer A. Ahmedabad. Which is the highest mountain peak of Gujarat? Answer D. Ginnar. The Abhay Ghat Samadhi located in Ahmedabad belongs to? Answer C. Morarji Desai. Which among the following Gujarati poet is popularly known as Raj Kavi? Answer B. Premnand Bhatt. Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary is located at? Answer A. Kutch. Name the smallest national park in Gujarat. Answer C. Vasda National Park. Vasda National Park is located in which of the following district of Gujarat? Answer C. Navsari. What is the female literacy rate of Gujarat as per the 2011 census? Answer B. 69.68%. The river Narmada doesn't flow through which of the following states? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. What is the total length of the Narmada river in Gujarat? Answer C. 161 km. What is the origin of the Aji river? Answer A. Sardhara Ridge. Which of the following Gujarati writer was also known as Savai Gujarati? Answer B. Kaka Sahib Kalelkar.